Hi everyone. So as discussed our last video, how many types of data type in Python? If you didn't watch that video, so you go there and watch that video. And today I'm going to discuss about what is the difference between Python module and Python package. So I will explain very simple manner so you will understand very quickly. I am not going to complicated things, the Python module as well as Python package. So let's get started. So what is a Python package and what is a Python module? So I will start with Python module. So what is Python module? So Python module is a Python file which contains variable, classes as well as function. So which Python modules define with .py file which contains variable classes and functions. So how it will work and import. So suppose I will define one function def function name is myfun and in myfun I will print AI Nikhil model mind. So this is a function name. So this is a function name, my function, and this is a Python underscore code dot py is a module name. Python file, module name is and Python file is a both are similar. I explained. So I'm going to import this file into another file. So if you have created only one file, you need to create another file to import this function. So I am just im creating new file. So I have created already new file. So new one .py is my new file. So I will import here. So I will use import keyword or import any module or packages or libraries. You need to use import keyword. So import our Python file name Python Python code. Then we need to call that function. So I will call Python code dot. So in this file we are calling my function. So dot means I am calling my Python module name is Python underscore code and calling function inside the function name is my function with this. When I run this, so you will see I printed there AI Nikhil model mind. So how it will work? So if Python has some built-in module like math module, math module, M8 math module. So I will just comment it math module as well as Python has some other modules like you can use random and different, so many different types of module. So I hope you will understood that module concept. So now I am going to explain what is package. So package is a combination of module. Package or library is nothing is a combination of module. And when suppose we have a package name, we are going to make a package name pack. So inside a pack, we will have Python, Python underscore code one module. Suppose we will make another module. Module name is module one as well as like this. We will return like module two, module 3, module 2, then module 3. So this package or this libraries will contain this Python code one module which contains Python all structure code module 1, module 2, module 3. So also Python package or library will contain underscore init. It is not compulsory to always contain init file into that, but you will understand if any package will contain init. So it is a package or any libraries will contain init is it is called init. So how you will define this? So I am just going to explain this how you will understand this. Suppose I am importing very famous libraries pandas, import pandas. So while importing pandas, so I need to check this is a, module or package. So generally how I can check? So pandas dot underscore path. If path file will contain any mod means if you are importing any yeah, means if you are importing any packages libraries or modules, so you will identify this is a package or this is module, like you can just print it under print dot pandas whatever you imported dot underscore path. When you will run, so it is run, it is under the side packages, that's why it's not giving an error. Suppose I have given you a example like math module. So math is a module or library. So how you'll understand, like if you want, this is a libraries or module. So math dot path you will find, then it will get an error because you will understand this is not a library, Python library. This is a module. So that's why it's here is defined like module. Module math has no attributes path because module name does not exist path file. So this is an example. This is the difference between Python libraries and Python module. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood everything. I made this video as a very simple, and you will never forget this thing in the future. I hope you understood very well. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.